everybody, it's Diane Naylor from Naylor & Naylor, Keller Williams in Seneca. I'm out here today at our new listing, 102 Cardinal Drive, Clemson, South Carolina. I'm really excited about this listing. It's a brick ranch, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, just over 2,000 square foot. Let's go take a tour of the house. Follow me. As we enter the house, you see these beautiful blue double doors. This opens up to a lovely foyer. So welcome to 102 Cardinal Drive, Clemson. As soon as you walk into the home, you're greeted by this huge foyer. Then into the dining room. This is what they used to use as a dining room. Check out the vaulted ceilings. The huge window that gives this room so much light. Now this home was originally built in 1971, so it is an older home, it is a little dated, but the family took good care of it and now they've moved on and we need to find its new owners. So come with me and maybe you can be that new owner. Okay, so from the foyer we're going to lead into the hall. In this hall we have a great sized laundry room. Check out all this space. We have a sink, washer dryer. We have a utility cupboard over there, and we have all this extra additional cupboard space. Check out how tall these cupboards are. So let's go check the rest of it out. At this end of the house, we have 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom here. This bathroom is shared by bedroom 3. Again, you have to remember this is an older house, typical 1970s, but it's in great shape. Now we have bedroom 2. Nice sized rooms. Let's go check out the master. So this is the only room in the house that has the hardwood floors. The sellers did carry the hardwood floors to the closet, which is just off the master bath. It's not a huge bathroom for a master. Remember, it was built in the 70s, so it's a typical 70s home, but it's got potential. It has room for someone with vision to work on it, to bring it up to the modern standards. So let's go look at the rest of the house. From the foyer to the living room. This is a patio door that leads out to a beautiful backyard, which is very private, all fenced, and a patio for you to entertain on an evening. The focal point of the living room, of course, is the fireplace, which is gas. So off the living room, we have the kitchen. So from the living room, we walk into the kitchen. The kitchen is in a great location because it's right next to the dining room too, which is perfect for entertaining. Plenty of cupboard space, very clean, very tidy. It's been a very well kept home. So just off the kitchen is what we call the den. Now this den did used to be, full disclosure, this den did used to be a garage, which they changed into this room here, which has its own bathroom. It's fully heated and air, so it's all included in the square footage. So off the bathroom, it's a full bath. Let's go outside and check the yard out. So from the house, the den leads us back outside to this nice driveway. Plenty of space for parking. It does need some attention, but it's great for vehicles. You have a 2-car carport, which is attached to the home. And let's go check out the backyard. So, as you can see, this is a very private backyard. Right away, we have the shed, and this shed will stay with the house too. All this garden is fenced in, so if you bring your pets, they're going to be safe. Your young children can play out. It's very quiet. We've got plenty of space to run about. the patio. And then as you can see, we have the heat and air unit, which is 2018, which is new, so that's not an expense that you're going to have to incur. But let's just go over everything. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath house with a den just over 2,000 square foot, built in 1971. It is an older home, it does need some updates, which is why we've priced it accordingly at $245,000. So bring us some offers, schedule your appointment. We're in walking distance to Clemson Elementary, 2 minutes away, and a couple of miles to Clemson University and Wesleyan University, right off 93. So go visit our website, naylorworksforyou.com, or give us a call, Diane Naylor, 864-650-2476. Love to talk to you. Bye.